Welcome to our English Shortened Easy Learning class. Today's class will start with a new chapter N and F hooks. So, the N hook, a small final hook attached to the straight strokes with the right motion. The right motion adds the sound of N to the stroke. So, the final hook attached to the straight strokes with the right motion gives the sound of N. So this hook will apply with the strokes and find the words. So ben, the hook, final hook gives the sound of N. So ben, ten, gun, coin, rain, horn. The hook that gives a sound of R at the beginning and gives a sound of N at the end. We know that when the hook is written at the beginning, it gives the sound of R and at the end gives the sound of N. So, bar and N. So, brain, train, crane. Now we shall start for the curved strokes. A small hook written inside the curves adds N to the strokes. So small hook written finally at the end inside the curves gives a sound of N. So vein, thin, assign, shine, moon, none, lean, and fine. And regarding F and V hooks, a small hook at the end of the stroke written with left motion adds F or V to all straight strokes. Small hook at the end of the stroke written with left motion adds F or V to all straight strokes. So here are the few words B and F hook. So buff, deaf, chef and cave. The same hook gives both the sound of F and also V, and pave, hive. Further, the left motion at the beginning represents L and at the end adds F or V. So the beginning hook adds L and the final hook add F or V to the straight strokes. Bluff, cliff, glove, and further there is no F or V hook for the curves. So this F or V hooks we can write or use only for the straight strokes, and there is no F or V hook for the curves. The hook at the end adds only N. Hence, we have to use the strokes of F or V for the curves. So we have only N hook for the curve strokes and there is no F or V hook. So fine. 5. So we have to write the full stroke of V. So 5. Line, life, 9, knife, moon, and move. However, A final hook cannot be used in a words where a vowel follows. So we cannot use a final hook when there is a vowel follows the sound of the N. So pen, penny, men, many. So in order to place this E vowel, we have to write the full stroke and not a hook. And also for the F hook. So puff and puffy. Further, we'll continue in our next class with the same chapter. Until then, hope you understood. Keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.